Hello everybody, it's True Detective here. Unboxing time. Rode NTH-100, the white edition. Rode is one of those companies that I have had great experiences with. Their NT1 5th generation microphone has been such a great mic that I decided that, man, I'm just gonna believe in the brand and I'm gonna get these. It looks pretty snazzy. And this white edition that they have is a new addition to their lineup. It comes with a bag, and here are the headphones. There's a cable, 3.5 millimeter. To adjust these headphones for your head size, you turn this part like that, and then you grab a hold of this and you see. Yeah, it's True Detective Rapid throwing you a little track freestyle. I have a mind so wide open, I look up at the sky, see the stars and the moon. You have no clue how much practice I have done to reach this kind of cool. On my ears the tech, you know the road. Microphones, they are the best. In the specs, they told that they use a special foam over here called Cool Tech Alcantara. I always wear a cap with headphones. Man, these feel comfortable. And the headphones, they have a headphone jack on both sides. So you can choose based on your setup. Plug it into that bitch. But I can tell that it's special because when you put this on, they actually feel cool. The difference between these is actually quite small, but it's there. And I would say that with these headphones, your mids are a little bit more clear. The bass reproduction over here with these Sennheiser ones and these is actually quite the same. These are both clearly monitoring headphones, so they don't overemphasize low frequencies. If you would describe it in terms of the visual world, you have more shades of gray. You can distinguish a lot more shades or tones in the sound. With this, it's kind of more it sounds a bit more simplistic. These are great mixing and editing headphones. I can say that off the bat. The sound is so accurate. Thanks for watching this review of the Rode NT-100 White Edition. And as a last note, you get a lifetime warranty. That's great.